Hello. I've tried to do this intro like 7 times now. I hate it so much. It's so awkward. It's so weird. I'm really, really, really bad. Like, so bad at intros and vlogging and everything. Please ignore this reflection in my glasses, okay? It is just my flower lamp because I didn't feel like getting up to go grab my ring light. That's literally right over there. Oops, my bad, babes. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing off like every single camera that I have and like not all of the accessories that I have for them, but the ones that I keep in my bags that I like take with me everywhere. This will include my digital cameras. I have 3. I think I have more, but there's only 3 that I have with me right now. And I only really use one. I haven't tried to use the other 2. One of them doesn't turn on, and like I haven't tried to turn it on in a while. I don't know. I tried once and it didn't turn on, so I just didn't try again. And the other one turns on and it's cute. It's nice. But there's like a burn in the screen and that just frustrates me a little, but it works perfectly fine other than that. And so like that's fine. I prefer the other one that I use all of the time. I take it everywhere with me. So I really hope you can hear me with the mic all the way down here. Let me test first. Perfect. You can hear me perfectly fine. Okay, so the first camera is my Sony. Love her so much. She's like number 1 that I use, okay? I've only ever used the Canon like twice. The Sony's just the best for me, okay? So she's not the original one that I started out with, sadly. Because that one broke like little over a year ago or something. I was at OSW and I was using it and it was raining a little and I don't know, I picked it up and she broke. She just stopped. The whole, like the photo, I have it. It's like the last photo ever that I took on it and it's just bright white. And then when you like look that up, everybody's like, yeah, that's she's dead. And so I was like, oh. Okay. So then I didn't have a camera for 3 months, 2 months, because then I got a refurbished Sony, same one, but refurbished, of course, so it wasn't the same one. Here she is. She currently has a different lens on than I normally use because I'm trying this one out because I've discovered I love it. She's a Sony A55, which means she's like almost 16 years old. So cute for her. I always use her in manual. Yeah, love it so much. It's my like favorite thing ever. I never use this, by the way. I swear, if you see me at car shows, like I only use it, it's like on my shoulder. But you see me at car shows, like it'll just dangle. But if I'm like walking by somebody's car, then I like take it and I wrap it up and I hold it like this. So that like it's not dangling by somebody's car. Of course, I don't want that. But then other than that, yeah, I hold it like this, or I like put it in my arm like this. That's not what I do. And I like genuinely walk around and it's just like in my arm like this. I don't know. Probably not safe, but it's fine. I normally always have it wrapped around my wrist though. I tried a wrist strap for a while. And I know definitely if you do rollers, you need one of those. Please, okay? I've seen way too many videos of people just dropping their camera while doing rollers because they didn't have a wrist strap or anything and they didn't have a neck strap. It wasn't like around, it just fell out of the car. This is my camera bag, okay? It has these 2 pockets, which is where I keep my batteries. Actually, it has this one, which I'm starting to keep a SD card reader so that I can just transfer them right onto my phone and then start editing like on the car ride back. So in the first pocket, of course, batteries. Batteries are everywhere. Like always, love them. There's probably another one in the other pocket, so I always keep batteries on me. Like they're everywhere. And they're always these ones because it's always for my Sony. This one, I've never used a day in my life. Don't know anything about it. I don't know what it does. Don't know what kind of photos it'll do. Don't know my reaction to the cut photos. Don't know if I ever like it. But it's 80 to 200. So that is, seems like something I should try, right? I think I'm gonna try it soon. I swear. But yeah, I don't have much to say about it because, again, I've never tried it. And I feel so bad because I take it to every car show with me. Like, it goes everywhere. So the one that's currently on my camera is 1.850, but it doesn't move. I don't know what that means. I'm gonna learn. I'll learn what that means, I swear, and I'll get back to all of you. But this one I just tried today for the first time, and no, that's a lie. That's a lie. I've tried it a few times before, but it's always gone so bad. I swear. Like, if you ever see me at a car show, and you've ever seen me use this one, just know it didn't go well at all. But today, I went in my backyard and I took some pictures, and I unedited, by the way, all of these unedited. Do you say edited or edited? There's no edited. No, whatever. And so I love it so much. My dad actually went out like 2 nights ago and in like the front yard and was taking photos with it. And then he came and he showed me, and I was like, it did that? It did that? What do you mean? So that got me very excited to try it. Now, this is the one that I always use. For the past 2 years, I've straight up only used this one. My cat is here now. She wants to leave. It is 18 to 55, so I love it. It's cute. Perfect for me. But yeah, I do mean every single photo I've ever taken, really, is using this one. Ever taken and posted, really, okay? Because I've tried this one before. I told you guys that. For the actual camera, I always use it on manual. Just always. I used to use auto just a little bit. Like, right when I started, I used auto, but then my dad like quickly switched me over to manual. I'm still learning the settings and everything and all the different things. Because there's so much this camera can do. It's such a good camera. I love it so much. All my photos are raw now. So I love the screen on it. I always keep it like this. It's bad. Whenever I use it, my nose always gets like right here, right where my fingers, because I'm like this, and then like now I have my nose there. Yeah, it's nice. So I love my Sony. It's my favorite out of all of them for the kind of camera it is, of course. Like, I have a favorite digital too, of course. That's very clear which one it is. And so I love it so much. This one is my Canon. She's a Rebel T3i. T3i? Yeah, T3i. I have only ever used her once. And it was bad. It was bad. So I'm taking photos, right? I'm at a car show. I'm taking these nice photos. I'm looking at them and I'm going, oh, this is so good. Like, they look so good. And then I transferred it to my phone, and it's like somebody took the exposure and just went all the way up. And I was like, what happened? Because they didn't look like that on the screen. And like, when I was taking the photo, they didn't look like that. But then it like registered like that. So I don't know why that happened. Never have figured out why that happened. Don't use it. It is currently on manual. So that's good, but I don't know anything about it. There's not a battery in it. I remember when we first pulled this out, the battery got stuck. This battery's not stuck. This is okay. I guess there is currently a battery in here. Is it charged? Not touched this thing in a year now. How do I turn it on? Oh, on off. Oh, it's on. There's no card in it. I am thinking about seeing how this one records because I need a vlog camera. Please comment your recommendations. Okay, I don't care if it's a digital camera. Don't care what it is. I saw the like Insta360 OS 3 something, whatever. I saw that and I thought it was so cool because like you can do hands-free, like you can clip it to your shirt and then like it's like that, and like, but then there's also like a stand for it, and like it looked cool. I was like, that's so easy because I can genuinely clip it to my shirt and then walk around to car shows, or my dad can like clip it on his hat and follow me around. Like that's so good. But then I looked up the price and I was like, I don't have that kind of money right now. So, and then I saved this other one, 2 other ones, don't remember their names. Here they are. One of them I've seen everywhere, and I swear every single micro influencer, barely like 200 followers, has it, and I'm just like, where did you get the money for it? Like, I don't have that kind of money. And everybody has Canon G7X money, and I'm like, I don't have that. More batteries. Okay, so I don't actually know what's in this bag, so we're gonna see. This is the flash. Here's the flash for anybody who would like it. Don't know what it is. Made in Singapore. Does it move? I don't want to break it. Oh, okay, it moves. Okay, so it hooks on like this. It moves. It's cute. I totally love this. Okay, it is so cute. Never in my life have I used it before. That's, oh my gosh. I love that. Okay, actually, I love this flash. First lens. Holy crap. 62. Wow. Does it got bigger? Wow. Okay. I don't know what this does, but I feel like people, it's bigger. It's bigger. It's never used this a day in my life, if you can tell. I think I might have to. I really do want to learn the Canon. Like, so many people love Canon, and I personally love Sony, but that's because I had a bad experience the one time I used my Canon. I think this is the one that I use. This is much more reasonable. But it's a 58 still, so. I don't know what this is. A battery goes there. So then what goes here? This thing spins. So you're supposed to hook something on here, and a battery goes here. There's nothing else in this bag. There's a charger and a cord. I don't know what this is. I'm sorry, y'all. Can't help you here. Here are 2 of my digital cameras. These ones I got for free. These were my mother's. This one's a Canon. This one's a, I don't freaking know. Sanyo? Yeah, whatever. This is optical 3x zoom. No. S120. That sounds more right. This is the one that doesn't turn on, and this is the one with the burn in the screen. Or this is the one with the burn in the screen. This one's, I don't freaking know. Oh, this is the one with the burn in the screen. See, that's just what I mean. Does it do video? We're about to learn right now. Display. Menu. I can't read anything. Wow. There's photos on here. Hello. There's a photo of me. I look so bad. There's 2 photos. Okay, we're recording. I'm gonna pull this off the camera. Is it about to die? No, it's just recording. I'm gonna pull this off the camera and we're gonna look and see how this looks. This is so cool. This might be the vlog camera. We'll find out. Oh my goodness. Because yeah, I'm currently recording on my phone. So I want a vlog camera. This would be cute. Okay, we'll see how this looks. This one. This is the one that does not turn on. Don't know how to turn it on. Don't know how to... Nothing. Can't even open it. Can't even open it. It's okay. Now this is my Kodak. It's the Kodak Pix Pro FC45, whatever that means. Saw it all over TikTok when I was looking. It's like, I think it was like $90 really. And I was like, that's not so bad. It also records, but I don't know how that is. So we're gonna try it right now. And there is a little port, but I don't know if it's for a microphone. And I don't know what kind of audio this makes. But it does have recording. This is what I take all my photos on. I love it so much. Like it is so cute. I think I'm gonna take the vlog photo. I mean the thumbnail photo on it. Let's try and record. Oh, I turned it off. All right. Okay, so now it is recording. Let's see. I saw some videos. It was shaky for them. It don't look so shaky. It does have a screw at the bottom, which I like because that means I can put a stand on it. Okay, here's the video. We will pull it off later. We will be able to see. We'll see how well it does with my shaky hands too. Yeah. I love this camera so much. I take it everywhere. It goes literally, it's always in my purse. I go everywhere with it. Here are just a ton of photos I've taken on. I love it so much. None of those are edited. Like, that word. Edited. Like, genuinely favorite. Okay? Listen, it's not G7X, but it's pretty good, okay? It's nice. By the way, I took my birthday photos last year on this with the 1855. Okay? Boom. I swear on my life, this camera, okay? So basically, that is pretty much the collection I have for you today. The collection is so much bigger because, like I said before, maybe I didn't say it before, my dad bought like everything. Like, he has so many filters, so much everything, so much things that I don't know what they are. So there could totally be a bigger tour, but my dad would definitely need to be in the video because I don't know what anything is. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to comment, okay? Like, I love replying to comments. It's my favorite thing ever. I always think it's so weird when I see like a reel or a TikTok or something and nobody has like replied to any comments, like the creator, and I'm like, why? It's my favorite thing ever. Like, I love when people comment. It boosts your stuff. Like, when people comment and then you reply, that's 2 new comments. You're getting interactions. Like, you need interactions. Like, replying to people's comments is gonna help you like get your videos and everything better. I don't know. Subscribe if you haven't already. You can like the video if you want. You don't have to. You don't have to subscribe. You don't have to comment. You don't have to do any of those. I would just appreciate if you did. Like, I love when people do that for me. Thank you. I'm so grateful for every single one of you. I know Thanksgiving was last week, but I'm just so thankful for every single person who supports me and watches my stuff. And really, if you did stay and watch a video of me rant on about things that I don't even know what they are, thank you. I love that. I love you. Okay, so I really did hope that you guys enjoyed this video if you watched it. I'm trying to find video ideas. Please comment. Like, I'm begging for comments at this point. Oh my gosh. No, you can DM me, you can email me, you can message me on TikTok. Don't message me on TikTok, actually. I have 140 unread messages as of last time I checked. So, my bad. But I need video ideas. Like, what do you guys want to see from me on YouTube? I want to be posting vlogs so much more. I have a whole vlog channel too. Like, if you guys want to go watch those, they're there. You don't have to. You don't have to. Totally cool with me. But if you really just like enjoy watching me, I have a whole vlog channel and I try my best. I struggle really hard in the beginning of making these vlogs. It's just hard. Like, I don't know. I really do hope that you guys are enjoying these videos, and I love all of you. Thank you so much for staying. Mwah. I'll see you next time.